Question number 2. 7x plus 3 minus x minus 2. How many terms are there in this expression? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms in that expression. We look for the like terms. Like terms are the ones which look similar. So the 7x, it looks similar to the x there. So it is a minus in front of that x, and there's a plus in front of that 7x, but we don't write that plus. When it's a plus, we don't write it. But when it's a minus, we write it. So this is 7x minus x. In front of this x, there's an invisible 1 all the time. In front of a number, there's always a 1. It's like placeholder. So it's 7x minus 1x. 7 minus 1 is
6.
6. So you write 6x. And now we have 3 is plus 3. Remember the plus 3 minus 2. You see the ones plus 3 minus 2. What's 3 minus 2?
1.
1 plus 1. That's the answer. We'll go to question number 3. 8x minus y minus 2x plus 3y. You do 8x is, which one is 8x similar to?
2x.
2x. So what will be the answer when you do those two?
6x.
Correct. 8x minus 2x is 6x. And the next one?
Y and 3y.
Minus y plus 3y. What would that be?
3y plus y?
No, minus y plus 3y. These two, I'll write it there for you to show you what to do with that one. Watch this carefully. Minus y plus 3y. Can you see the minus y plus 3y? I'll write it there. You can swap them. The 3 comes in front, so it becomes 3y minus y. And remember, there's that invisible 1. What's 3 minus 1?
2.
2. So what would the answer be?
2y.
Be plus 2y. Minus y plus 3y is 2y. If I show you on the number line, if I put a number line there, watch this carefully because that's where, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So we start at minus 1. You start at minus 1, plus 3, you go 1, 2, 3. Where do you end?
2.
2. Because you plus 3, you count 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, and a 2. So it's plus, you can use number line. Now, number 4. Minus 5x times minus 5. Careful here because minus times a minus will give you a plus. Something to memorize. Negative times a negative is positive. So, minus times a minus is plus. 5 times 5.
25.
25. And we just write the x. Because the x, there's nothing to times to do it. So it's just 25x. Question number 5, last but not least. Arrow plus arrow. What number is in front of this arrow?
1.
That invisible 1. What number is in front of the s?
1.
The 1. So 1r plus 1r.
2r.
2r's. Don't forget the s. Don't put the s. 2r plus 3s minus 1s.
2s.
2s. Can we add r and s?
No.
No. So the answer stays 2r plus 2s. Right. So tell me one important thing you remember from this lesson.
2 negatives multiplied by each other is a plus.
Correct?
There's an invisible 1 in front of
There's an invisible 1 in front of
x, y, or any number.
any letter.
Any letter.
Not a number. Any letter on its own. So if you put x on its own, there will be an invisible 1. And we add things which are similar or like terms. They say collecting the like terms. So this is simplifying, and that's a very important part of algebra. Simplifying means we had 1, 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we have just 1, 2. You had 4 things, you put them to 2. That's the thing in algebra. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We put it to 2 things, 1, 2. So that's one part of simplifying. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps.